New battery. Look, that big rock seems like it's right in the way. That was not the big rock I was talking about.
They're all in the way. That one.
Yeah, yeah.
Pump mud.
Alright, so what Tyler is doing here is he is filling, repouring this little concrete patch that we had to cut up to put the shower drain and the toilet drain in. Bear with me on this video. This was Zach's first time really filming, so he was really into the YouTube thing with me. So he's wanted me to get him his own camera and stuff. So that's what we did. So this first video was kind of really hard for me to put together because he didn't really know how I went about filming and stuff. So he just kind of videotaped the whole day, or videoed the whole day, should I say. So therefore, I'm going to jump in, voice over this. He's done a lot better from here on out. So yeah, you'll be seeing a lot of me and Zach's videos. Zach is one of my employees, but he's also my best friend. So yeah, so we're going to get into this. Zach is going to be working on some electrical throughout. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll catch you up here in a few minutes.
Yeah, we're going to go ahead and run some silicone around them just because. It don't really need it. It's like over precaution. Put them down over top of it, then pour them. You know, how we do stuff.
You don't want to leave one open for when we...
Just the one at the end.
We're going to snake it from there.
Yeah.
That one's staying though, right?
I wouldn't.
I wouldn't do nothing with it.
I wouldn't either. It's staying for now, yeah. It's just going to be in the utility closet, and it's being used as a drain anyway, so.
Yep. Hey, keep an eye on that concrete. Don't let it go nowhere.
Alright, I'll make sure it don't leave.
Alright.
Where's our broom at? Aha!
Huh?
I said, where's our broom at?
I've used 8 bags so far total.
That ain't bad. really. You're gonna be like a half bag short.
Probably.
So what we are doing here is we came into the old drain, floor drain, and we went up here because this is going to be a wet bar. Alright, that's going to be a wrap for this one. Thanks for watching. Sorry about all the time lapse. But yeah, Zach's getting way better with the camera. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.